government norms.
Leader of opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma has strongly warned the government not to overlook the concerns of the youth, stating that such actions could lead to frustration, anger and ultimately lawlessness. Responding to the law and order situation, particularly in East Khasi Hills, Dr. Sangma emphasized that individuals raising issues on behalf of the people should not be treated as criminals, urging the government to address the concerns constructively.
The reaction from the government side was what? Running after young boys, students from the colleges, arresting them under ULA. The way to handle situation like this. These give substantive evidence about the failure of the government to deal with this kind of situation. Therefore, it is also important on the part of the authorities and the government to see that when we handle situation, we do not treat our people who speak on behalf of our people, who are flagging the issues and concerns of the people before the government, to treat them as criminals. They should not be treated as criminals.
The District Disaster Management Authority of East and West Khasi Hills